So the first item for today's Canvas basic training I want to show is to log into Canvas. So the URL for login to Canvas is umassboston.instructure.com. You can bookmark this link to easy access. And if you never logged into Canvas before, you can definitely find the access link from our main website, umb.edu. You just need to go to Faculty and Staff tab and click on the Canvas. And there's an access link. You can click from there. After you sign in with your UMB credentials, you'll be able to see your dashboard has a variety of course card you're teaching for this semester. And we'll see that likely to see the course that is under the unpublished courses if you haven't clicked on the publish button. Yeah. If you're looking for previous Canvas course, they may not showing up on the dashboard. You'll have to go to the courses menu to find all other courses. So you just need to click on this courses menu and click on all courses. It will list out all of your registered courses, including the past enrollment course that's from the previous semester. Okay. And from the global navigation, there are very useful resources as the help menu. So the Zoom room provided with our team is the Learn Design Zoom room that you enter the same URL for today's training. We're open Monday to Friday, 10 to 4. If you have a quick Canvas questions regarding to your course, you can click on this link to join our Zoom room. Our scheduled Learn Designer will answer your questions and get your issues resolved. And if you prefer, you can also book a consult, a one-on-one consult with one of our Learn Designer at your own convenient time. Other than that, feel free to chat with the Canvas support faculty. It's an online chat with the Canvas support group 24/7, even outside of the normal business hours. If you have a questions regarding Canvas, you can reach out to the Canvas support group through this option. And your students and yourself can check out the video guides, very useful resources. If you go to your course and then you want to do something in your course, but you kind of don't know how to get started, you can definitely click on this link to search for the video guides for certain things. For example, how to create an assignment, how to build out a module. Yeah, so that's the help menu from the global navigation menu. Yeah. So let's go back to the dashboard. Today, we're going to go through the workflows for building a course out from scratch. So the agenda also has very useful guidance. It's this build your course in 30 minutes. So this documentation covers very basic things. Access Canvas and build the modules, build the module activities. So this is a document that you can also bookmark, and in the future, if you want to quickly refer to the individual items you want to learn about, it's very straightforward and has the written description as well as the short videos overview for you to look at it. Yeah, that's what we're going to cover also in the next half an hour to build a simple module in the Sandbox course. Yeah. So to access the course, you want to start at your dashboard, find the course card, and click on the course link. That you will see that the homepage is a template. So for every official courses, you will see this homepage. It's a template, and feel free to customize the homepage by drafting a welcome message To edit the page, you need to click on the edit button. And then you can basically rewrite the text in this page, or you can replace the banner images to a more your class themed. I'm going to demonstrate how I replace the images in the home page. So you can, if I want to replace this message, the image, I can just delete this. And then I will looking for the image icon from the toolbar is here. So I click on this icon and click on upload image. And then I will find image, a nice banner image from my desktop. I can just drag and drop the banner image I want to upload. And then I click on submit. The banner image get replaced, the original template banner image. And then I can click on save. The homepage will looks different now, but I take a look at it and I want to change it back. I am not very 100 satisfied with this banner image. I still want to use that our school's banner. So I can change it back because every changes you make will be saved in the page history. So I can click on the three dots on the top right, and I can click on View Page History. And this has a few revisions that have been done in the past. So I want to check my previous vision. Okay, this one has the original banner image. I can click on Restore this version and hit Restore. So don't be afraid that you make changes and you lost the content. You can always go access to the revision history and restore the previous version of this page. Yeah. So that's the home page. But the other thing I want to mention is that this home page is not the only options to use as your course homepage, because there are a few other options you can use as your course homepage. On the top right, there is a choose homepage option. So you have the options to make the course modules as the homepage if you think that's more convenient for you and your student. You can always change that you want to make your assignment list as the homepage or your syllabus as your homepage. But for me, I would like to still choose the front page, so that my students has the easy access to the syllabus, modules, and help page. So that's just my preference to use the front page as the course homepage. Yeah. So the next item I want to cover is the syllabus. I mean, having a syllabus up there for your students is very important for all the face-to-face online course. So to upload the syllabus of your course, first you need to click on this syllabus menu, and then you need to click on Edit button. And this text entry box will open it for you. I prefer to upload my syllabus as a Word document or PDF. So in order to do that, you just need to click on the three dots to expand the full toolbar for you to use, because what we're looking for is the document icon here. So we just need to click on this document icon, and we're going to click on Upload Documents. And in this Rocket box, you can drag and drop this syllabus to upload. So I'm dropping my course syllabus here, and then I click on Submit. So my syllabus will be coming in a hyperlink. Students can click on this link to view my syllabus and they can download it. But I want to make it more convenient for my students. I want them to access to syllabus and can read through my syllabus. directly. So I can click on this link option, and I can choose preview inline, and I want to expand the preview by default. Okay. And then I can click on update syllabus. Now you can see that the syllabus page will automatically expand my syllabus document so that they are easy to read through. Okay, that's an option you can try in your course to expand the syllabus document. Yeah. So the next important thing I want to cover is the modules. So the modules page is where you put the course content as well as the course activities all together in one section. So you will see that this module 1 and module 2 already built out from last week with the last week's cohort. Today we're gonna to do similar things. We're gonna to show how to build out a module. Yeah, so I want to keep the similar workflow. I'm gonna to go ahead, create a module 3 for it. Okay, so to create a module, you just need to click on this add a module button on the top right. And then in the module name, I want to give it name module 3. And then I can click on add module. Then the module 3 get added, but it is empty box. I need to add the module items as the similar way as the rest, like the module overview page and the discussion and another assignment. So the next steps I want to do is to add the module overview page because I have it for the previous module. So in order to do that, I need to click on this plus icon. And in the drop-down menu, I need to click on this page. And then I click on create page. Just want to give a page name for this. It's an overview page. So we just call it the similar way as the rest of the other modules. We just name it module 3 overview page. Okay. And then I can click on add item. So this module overview page get added, but it is empty. We're gonna do write down the content for this overview page. Okay. In order to add items to this page, you need to click on edit button on the top right. Because I already drafting out the overview page content, so I just copy and pasting all the contents in this text entry box. So it's include the overview, introduce the topic for this week, and has readings, has videos, and the discussion, activities, and project. Now we're going to really proofreading everything and then make sure that the content is there. For example, this reading, it's a PDF reading, but there's no PDF files get added to this page. So my next step is to upload the readings as a PDF files. This is the similar process. We just now upload the syllabus file. So the same way we can add the readings into this page. So we can highlight this document title. And then we just need to click on this document icon from the toolbar. And we can click on upload document. And then I can drag and drop that reading files here and click on submit. And you will see that the reading document has been uploaded here. Okay. The next thing we're gonna to think about the better way to present the video. This is a video. I mean, I can post the link here, but the downside of that, when students click on the link, it will bring them over to YouTube outside of Canvas. So it's like a redirect link. It's not the best strategy. What I want to do is to embed this video inside of this page so that when my students go here to watch the video, they can just click on the start button, right? That's more ideal and accessible for students. So we're gonna to just make sure that we're gonna to go to the YouTube video first. I'm going to show how to embed the video. So this is the video I want to embed in my course. So I want to, first I need to go to this original video, and then I need to click on the share button. Then I need to click on embed button. Then I have to click on the copy to take all the embed codes with me. And then now I can go back to the module page. I don't need this link anymore because I'm going to embed the video here. To embed the video, first you just need to click on the three dots to expand all the icons for this toolbar. And then you're looking for this cloud icon, which is the embed icon. And then we can paste in that code we just taken from the YouTube video and click on submit. Now you can see that this video get embedded, and when students go to this page, they can just click on this play button and without have to leave this page to watch the video. Yeah. So I'm pretty satisfied with everything that in the overview page. So I'm just going to scroll all the way down and then click on save and publish. So that's the workflow to embed a video. It's very useful. I know that a lot of instructor wants to use the videos for their course. So that's the great strategy to make this more accessible for students. Yeah. So now we can check from the module page that we have successfully built out the first module items. Now we're going to create a discussion activity and assignment activity. So the next we're going to create a discussion. It's week 3 discussion. So to do that, you need to click on the plus button for this module. And in the drop-down menu, you want to click on the discussion. And we just need to click on create topic. We'll give it a name, week 3 discussion. It's better to have the discussion name as the title to give students more brief introduction, like what's the topics for this discussion. And for the activities, I like to indent for one level so that students can clearly see that the module overview page is this level, and then the activities are indent level. It's just that the layout is more clear for students to know which one is the things they need to make submissions, right? So even though we create the discussion, we didn't add anything, the prompts and the settings. Now we're going to click on the discussions to fill in the details and requirements for this discussion, right? So we need to click on this 3 dot on the top right, and we need to click on edit. So in this text entry box, I can write down the prompts for this discussion. So I can copy and paste in my discussion topics and requirements. Like they need to answer this discussion questions, and they have like word limits. And they need to reply at least 2 other students. So I make this weekly discussion as a graded activity, means that I need to give them credit for participate in this discussion. So here I need to click on graded, make it graded. If you are creating a discussion that is non-graded, you just have them to participate in this activity, then not grading them, you don't need to check it. Yeah. After you make it the graded discussion, you want to enter the points for this discussion. And then you can assign a due date. 3rd week, so I'm going to give it the end of this month. And I can save and publish. Now in this discussion, students can go here and then they can click on the reply button to respond to this discussion question. And they can also respond to other students after they posting their initial answers for this discussion. Okay. And then let's go back to the modules. You will see that the first activities, the discussion has been added to this module. And then next, we're going to create an assignment. So we just need to go through the similar steps, click on the plus button for this module 3. And in the drop down, we're going to select assignment type. And we're going to click on create assignment. So my assignment is a project. They need to do an independent project to create a short video. And also I like to indent this for 1 level and click on the add item. So this assignment get added. The same way we're going to enter the requirement for this assignment. So after we click on the assignment link, we just need to click on edit button on the top right. And in this box, you can type in or copy paste the requirement for this assignment. Okay. That's the requirement for student to read through. And then the points I need to based on the syllabus. So this assignment is 25 points. So I'm going to write down 25 for the points. And the submission type, I want to choose online because I want my students to submit their work through here. So because this is they submit their video project, so I would enable the file uploads. The file uploads option is very commonly used by instructor because you want your student to submit, for example, paper through Word document or PDF. You have to enable file uploads. If you only enable text entry, they cannot. I don't think that's the best strategy for students. Nowadays, they are using like OneDrive or Word document to write down their papers, and in the end, they download it as a Word document or PDF files to submit their assignment. That's very common way. So if you have a written assignment for your student to submit, be sure you want to enable the file uploads option. Yeah. And here I can also add a due date for this assignment. And I can save and publish. Now you can see that students will be here. They can read through it and they can submit to this assignment. Let's go back to the modules. We can check now. We have the 3 items already for these modules. But we noticed that for the module, there is an icon here. It's like a round icon with a slash, means this module is not published. So what will happen if we view this page as a student? We cannot see the module 3 at all. We can only see module 1 and module 2 because the module level is not published. So let's go back to the instructor mode. In order for your student to view everything inside of this module, you have to publish this module, and you will see that there's a green check here, means that this module is published. If you leave it unpublished, like we just peer view as a students, we cannot see anything for this module, right? So we have to make sure to check everything that has green check marks, means that they are published. If you are not ready for certain assignment, you can definitely unpublish those. Let's say if I'm not ready for them to view, to start working on project 3, I can unpublish these items, I can hide it, and now my students can only see 2 items for module 3. They cannot see that project assignment, right? So using the green check, the publish icon is the best way to control the visibility of the individual module items you want to make it available for your students. Okay, so that's the module page. We just successfully built out a bunch of modules. You can, in your course, you can structure your module by weekly session. Like what I did is just the week 1, week 2, week 3, structure by weekly session. But some instructor, they prefer to do like topics. They can structure the modules as topics. You can also do that. The module is all your choice to make it. Just imagine it as a folder. So this is a big folder, and then the module items are the files inside of this folder. So you can definitely structure the module page as the way you want it to be. Yeah. So that's the modules. Next, I want to cover is the grading. So you have a variety of the syllabus, I mean the percentage used for each individual assignment, right? In Blackboard, we usually using like categories, and we inside of the gradebook, we enter the percentage for each category. In Canvas, it's a little bit different. We don't do that in grades. Instead, we go to the assignment page to structure the percentage and then moving things around. So right now you can see that I have already created assignment group. I have a project group. I have a weekly session. Weekly discussion, and I have a final paper assignment group. What we just created, the 2 new learning activities, automatically they're under the assignment group, which is not what I want. I want to place this weekly discussion under the discussion group. So I need to click on the toggle in front of the week 3 discussion and click and hold, drag it, place it under the weekly session. The same, I want to move this project 3 under the project session. Because based on my syllabus, the projects takes up 60%, the weekly discussion 20%, and the final paper 20%, right? So we're organized this way. But in Canvas, by default, there is no percentage entered. You have to enable it. It's because not everyone using the percentage. Some instructor, they just have all the points add together, not using the percentage at all. But for those who want to use percentage, the weighted grade, you have to, in the assignment page, you have to go to the 3 dots on the top right. And you need to click on assignment group weight. You want to make sure that this weight final grade based on assignment groups is enabled. And then now you can enter the percentage for each assignment group. And be sure that the percentage add up to 100. If it is not correct, you want to make sure that those percentage are correct and the same as your syllabus. Yeah. And you can always change it from here, change the percentage from the individual assignment group. You can edit it. And you can change the percentage here. And within a specific assignment group, you can have the certain rules for this assignment. You can, for this assignment group, you can drop the lowest score. And you can set up, for example, I only want to keep 2 of the 3 projects. So I can drop the lowest one assignment. This is very common for those who has a weekly quizzes and they want to drop the lowest quizzes for this quiz assignment group. Yeah. So this is the layout that I set up for my grading. And now we can go to the gradebook to check, because every assignment you created will automatically becoming a grade items as a column in the gradebook. You will see that the student roster on the left, and you will see that this bunch of assignments as the columns. And you can scroll all the way to the right. You'll see that the assignment group, the percentage is listed on the right side of this assignment group. And there is an easy way for you to enter the grade. For some quickly grading assignment, you can just enter the grade by clicking on the box and then enter a points for it. But I guess like for the majority situation that you really want to read through the student submission, right? So you just need to click on this assignment. And you want to click on the speed grader of this assignment. And this is student submission will be listed on the left side. Right now, this assignment doesn't have any submission, but after my students submit their Word document, it will be displayed in the left side. And you can switch between the students by clicking on the roster on the top right, and you can enter the grade for the students, and you can write down the general feedback for the students for this particular assignment. Okay. So that's the grading piece for this Canvas course. And the most important thing in the end, after you build out your courses, the contents, and upload the syllabus and finalize the grading, you want to make sure that to check whether your course is published, because if the course is not published, students cannot access your course. So you want to go back to the home page, and on the top right, you will see that there is course status. Right now, the course is not published, so we just need to click on this button, and we need to click on Publish button. After you publish the course, you will see that the Publish button turn green check, the same green check in the modules page. That means your course is go live right now. Your student can access the course. So that's the very important final step. Yeah. And the next thing is that to you as an instructor, you can also manage the navigation, the course navigation. Right now, we have a very short navigation bar. If we view as a students, we can only see this certain menu made available for your students, right? But you can definitely manage this menus. For example, in my course, I want to be able to use Zoom because I have scheduled a class session for my students. So I want to add the Zoom tab here as the course navigation. So I need to go to the settings. And I need to click on this navigation tab on the top. And here we can see this visible menu on the top. And this disabled menu in the end means that student cannot access it directly. I'm looking for the Zoom. So I'm going to click on the three dots and click on enable. And then you will see that the Zoom tab is here. Then I will scroll all the way down and click on save. Now you can see that the Zoom tab is visible. When my students go here, they will see that scheduled meetings for them in this course. Yeah. So that's all the basic things for today.